Welcome back to Mael's Luxury Auto. The 2026 Volkswagen Motorhome is set to redefine the future of road travel, blending classic van life charm with cutting-edge automotive technology. For decades, Volkswagen has been synonymous with freedom on wheels, most notably through the iconic VW bus that became a cultural symbol of the 1960s and 70s. Now, Volkswagen revisits that legacy, not simply by resurrecting an old idea but by transforming it into something new, something smart, efficient, and built for the modern nomad. This new motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle solution. With van life gaining massive popularity over the past few years, many automakers have tried to capture the magic, but few have managed to strike the right balance between nostalgia and innovation. The 2026 Volkswagen Motorhome does just that. It delivers a premium camping and travel experience that feels equally at home in national parks, coastal roads, and even urban environments. Built on Volkswagen's MEB platform, which also underpins their ID series of electric vehicles, the 2026 Motorhome is fully electric. This alone puts it ahead of many competitors who are still adapting combustion-based chassis for camper applications. The all-electric powertrain isn't just about eco-friendliness, though that is a significant plus. It also ensures a quieter, smoother ride, perfect for long journeys. The expected range is around 350 to 400 miles per full charge, thanks to a large 111 kWh battery pack. Rapid charging capability will allow 80% recharging in under 30 minutes, making it viable for cross-country travel. Plus, solar panels integrated into the roof provide supplemental energy that can power the interior amenities or even extend the vehicle's range slightly during daylight hours. Inside, the 2026 Volkswagen Motorhome is nothing short of revolutionary. Volkswagen has used smart design principles to maximize space without sacrificing comfort. The interior uses modular furniture that can be rearranged to suit various needs, whether you're working remotely, cooking a meal, or winding down for the night. A multifunctional dining table folds down into a queen-sized bed, while seats rotate to create a lounge-like atmosphere. Materials are eco-friendly and durable, with sustainable wood finishes, plant-based fabrics, and recycled composites. Technology is deeply integrated into every aspect of the motorhome's design. A central touchscreen controls lighting, temperature, entertainment, and energy management. Voice controls and app connectivity allow travelers to pre-cool the cabin, monitor solar input, or even locate charging stations remotely. Wi-Fi and 5G connectivity come standard, recognizing that the modern traveler often needs to stay connected for work or content creation on the go. One standout feature is the Smart Camp mode. With a single tap, the vehicle automatically levels itself, deploys the awning, activates ambient lighting, and switches the climate control to eco mode. The kitchen area features an induction cooktop, a compact refrigerator, a water purifier, and smart storage solutions. The sink and shower systems recycle greywater through a filtration process, extending your off-grid capabilities. In terms of driving, the 2026 model benefits from Volkswagen's autonomous driving suite. On highways, the vehicle can manage itself almost entirely, allowing for relaxed long-distance travel. Cameras and sensors provide 360-degree awareness, making maneuvering into tight camping spots surprisingly easy. Driver assistance features include lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and collision avoidance. For safety, the motorhome is built with reinforced body panels and a low center of gravity due to the battery placement, improving stability even on rough terrain. Volkswagen has also considered the climate-conscious traveler by ensuring the entire production process is carbon neutral. From sourcing recycled materials to using renewable energy at manufacturing plants, every step of the 2026 motorhome's life cycle is optimized for sustainability. Even the battery is designed to be modular, upgradable, and recyclable, ensuring it remains viable for many years. Perhaps the most impressive aspect is how the motorhome adapts to the varied demands of different users. It's ideal for families wanting to explore national parks, digital nomads looking for a mobile office, or retirees embarking on long-term adventures. Customization options are extensive. Buyers can choose different layouts, tech packages, and even color themes, ranging from classic VW two-tone throwbacks to sleek modern monochromes. Entertainment hasn't been overlooked either. The motorhome comes equipped with a high-quality sound system, multiple USB-C ports, wireless charging pads, and an optional projector that can turn any blank wall or sheet into a movie screen. Storage is cleverly distributed, With hidden compartments, under-bed drawers, and exterior hatches for gear like bikes, paddleboards, or camping chairs. In terms of pricing, the 2026 Volkswagen Motorhome is expected to start at a premium, somewhere in the $80,000 to $100,000 range, depending on the configuration. While that's not cheap, it's competitive given what's included, especially compared to traditional RVs or luxury campervans that often lack electrification and autonomous tech. Early reviews from industry insiders and auto journalists who have had access to prototypes are overwhelmingly positive. Many are calling it the Tesla of campervans, noting its blend of environmental responsibility, smart design, and digital integration. It manages to feel both futuristic and nostalgic, a rare feat in the automotive world. In summary, the 2026 Volkswagen Motorhome is more than just a new entry into the campervan market. It represents a shift in how we think about travel, sustainability, and personal freedom. It answers the call for smarter, cleaner, more adaptable travel solutions in a world where people crave both exploration and comfort. Volkswagen is clearly betting on the future of mobile living, and with this motorhome, they've delivered something that doesn't just live up to their heritage, it pushes it forward into a new era. For anyone dreaming of life on the open road without sacrificing modern conveniences or environmental responsibility, the 2026 Volkswagen Motorhome could be the perfect vehicle to turn those dreams into reality. Like, subscribe, and